What's up, guys? Will H, and today I'm doing a follow-up on the HOTWAV R10 rugged tablet. Big shout out to the company HOTWAV for sending this over for a review. I'll drop my discount codes below and the product purchase link. So if you use my discount codes, you'll be able to get this tablet for under $200. It retails for $250. So definitely check out the discount codes. So I've been using this for about a week now. I unboxed it last week, and I said I would come back and let you guys know what I think about it after using it for a week. But the tablet has been great. I haven't had any issues with the tablet, and now I want to talk about it. So this is a budget-friendly, rugged tablet designed for durability and practical use in demanding environments. So if you're someone who works outside or outside with your tablet, this is going to be perfect. The R10 is going to be perfect. So let's talk about the build quality on this, man. So this thing is built like a tank. It weighs 880 grams, so it does have a nice weight to it, so be mindful of that. It has a rubberized exterior. It has reinforced corners, as you guys see right here. Nice texture on the back of it. For grip, it also comes with this carrying strap right here. And it just feels good in the hand, man. So this is IP68 and IP69K dust and water resistant. It also is military standard 810G certified as well. So let's go around the tablet right quick. So you got your reinforced corners here. You got a microphone right here. If I flip it up this way, you're going to have let me turn it around. You got your speaker down here. You're going to have your Type-C charging port. It's covered up with a flap there to keep dust and water out. And then over here, this is going to be your dual SIM card tray and your micro SD card slot right here as well. Now, I'm using this with Mint Mobile right here, and I'll talk about my experience with that a little bit later in the video. Coming around to this side, you don't have anything. Got a mic there. And then this side, you got your volume up and down, your power button, another microphone, and your speaker. So you got dual speakers on here, and they sound pretty good, guys. So looking at the back of it, you got your 13 megapixel camera with flash, and we'll talk about the cameras as well. And then on the front, you got your 10.1 inch display, and you got your 5 megapixel camera right there. So overall, feels good. No give, no creaks or anything. It is raised up a little bit here on the corners, on the front of it. So when you lay it flat, it's not going to be on your display. Now, this comes with a variety of accessories. One of them is this nice carrying strap. You get 2 USB cables, USB-C to USB-C, and you get a USB-C to USB-A. You come with a screen protector as well. So build quality is A1 on this. No problems with the build quality. Next, let's talk about the display. Okay, guys, so next we're going to talk about this display. And straight off the bat, the elephant in the room are the bezels right here, which I really don't mind. It's somewhere to put your thumbs and not accidentally hit the display. So the bezels are, they're not too bad in my opinion. Now, the display is a 10.1 inch IPS display, resolution of 1280 by 800. It is 90 hertz refresh rate, which is refreshing on here. And it's 400 nits of brightness. So the 90 hertz refresh rate makes it strolling around on different things on here very nice. The display is very responsive. The colors are pretty vibrant and bright. They're not going to be flagship colors on here, but definitely for this price range, it's not bad. Now, this is going to be perfect for using in landscape and portrait mode, as you guys see right here. This will be good for doing things like browsing the web, reading your favorite books, doing your social media, X, Instagram, Threads, Facebook, whatever social media platform that you're on. This is going to be perfect for that. It's going to be good for watching YouTube videos, Netflix, or whatever streaming service that you prefer to use. This is going to be excellent for that. The display is definitely a pretty nice display. Next, we're going to move on to performance and talk about that next. Okay, guys, so next we're going to talk about the performance on this. So this features the Unisoc octa-core T606 processor. It had 8 gigabytes of RAM, 12 gigabytes of virtual, expansion memory, 256 gigabytes of storage, and it has an SD card expansion slot as well. Now this is running Android 14 out of the box. I was told that it will get future updates as well, and the performance hasn't been bad at all. You're able to have multiple apps open at the same time in the background, able to stroll through, and the apps are still, open. So that's a very good thing. The tablet hasn't heated up, hasn't got hot or anything like that. Now, my grandson played some games, some of his games on here, and he said it performed well. He didn't have any issue playing his games that he liked to play. Now, this is going to be good for light multitasking, light gaming, of course, your social media, web browsing, things like that. I think the performance on this has been great for the T606 processor. Like I said, no heat ups, no crashes, no burns, anything like that. It has been performing well, so I haven't had any issue with performance at all. Let's next talk about the battery life on this, and then we'll get to the cameras and connectivity. Okay, guys, so the tablet has a 10,800 milliamp hour battery. I've been getting excellent battery life out of it. I think I've charged it maybe 3 times in the week that I've been using it, and I've been using it a lot. So you're going to get great battery life. Battery life is really going to depend on how much you use your device and what you're doing with it. So I'm mainly watching videos, doing social media, a little light gaming here and there. So I get pretty good battery life out of the device. So next, let's go ahead and talk about the cameras next. Okay, guys, so talking about the cameras, we have a 5 megapixel selfie camera that's capable of shooting 720p at 30 frames a second. So the camera, this will be, it'll work for doing video conferences, things like that. It's not going to be, flagship type performance, but it will definitely be good enough for doing video conferences. On the back, we got a 13 megapixel with a flash. Now this is capable of shooting 1080p at 30 frames per second, and the cameras will get you by. So those are the cameras on here. Let's go ahead and talk about connectivity next with this device and check that out. Okay, guys, so next we're going to talk about connectivity. As you guys see, I am connected to HD LTE. I do have my Mint Mobile card in here, and I have had great coverage with this, no issues at all. I've taken it out and used LTE for web browsing, just doing everyday things out there, and I haven't had any issues with the device doing that. Here's a sample of me talking to my wife on a phone call. Okay, guys, so next we're going to do a sample phone call, let you guys see how it sounds over 4G LTE. Going to call my wife up. Hello, I'm calling you on my tablet. I want to see how it sounds.
It sounds good.
Okay, so you don't hear the rain. It's raining outside. Can you hear the rain in the background?
No, sure can.
Okay, so you sound loud and clear on this end as well. I appreciate you helping with this part of the video. Appreciate you helping with this part of the video.
Anytime.
Okay, goodbye. So as you guys see, the phone call worked great, and I haven't had any issues like this. So this features GPS. This has dual SIM card supports as well. And using this over LTE has been great, man. So I'm using a Mint Mobile. I think it's on T-Mobile right now. So let's go ahead and check this out. Even though it's the Mint Mobile card, yeah. So it's saying T-Mobile. I did hear talk that they bought out them. I'm not sure, but it shows T-Mobile even though it's a Mint Mobile card. So let's go ahead and talk about the speakers next. So let's take a listen at the speakers. It has stereo speakers down at the bottom, and let's see what they sound like. Max volume. Now, if it's not careful, you can easily cover the speakers up, completely drown it out. But otherwise, they sound great. Let's get back to the video. Okay, guys, so this has been my look at the HOTWAV R10 Pro rugged tablet. Now, this is a rugged tablet. Like I said, if you're someone who's outside all the time that needs a tablet for different environments like that, then this is going to be the tablet that you need. This is a great tablet, has a lot of great features. It has a nice rugged build. It's good looking, and it comes with some great features as well. You're going to be able to use this remotely if you put in your SIM card over LTE, which is a great thing for a tablet at this price right here. The display is nice, very responsive. I haven't had any issues with the performance on it, and it has a lot of other great features as well. Now, you can get this in two colors, orange or black. This also has Wi-Fi 6, hotspot, one-hand mode, live caption, smart control, underwater recording, quick share, stream record, and stream cast as well. So a lot of great features packed into this little tablet. It's small, does have a little weight to it, but I think it's a great package overall. So I will leave the product purchase link down below. Be sure to check out my discount codes that are down below as well, where you can get a great price on this tablet. So catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.